Morning guys, so I'm going to be doing something a little bit different with you guys today. I'm going to be doing a day in the life of starting off with my morning workout. I try and get it done first thing in the morning, otherwise I know I just won't get it done. I train with my Sunny, I train with my personal trainer, Sunny, 3 days a week. And then the other 2 days I try and train by myself at the gym. But yeah, we train about, 45 minutes to an hour every day. And then, yeah, straight after that, I'm going to the sauna for a quick sauna session just after the weekend. It's my birthday this weekend, so try and detox the whole body. And then after that, I'll go get a coffee and start my day. So I started off my day with my PT session and my sauna session. 1 second. But I thought I might as well show you through my hair and little makeup daily routine because I get asked this all the time, and I really want to show you guys how I use my Sitting Pretty halo hair extensions on a daily basis because they're so easy to put in and no one ever knows. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with my makeup and then run you through my hair later. On my days off, I tend to try and not use a lot of makeup, and if not any at all, just to let my skin breathe in between working. Alright, so that's my base done. Now what next? I'm just going in my brows, fluffing them up a bit. I like really bushy brows, which is the best part of Cara Delevingne eyebrows forever. Le Lion de Chanel. Totally didn't say that right. I just like that really natural glowy look. So this is me glowing, baby. That's pretty much me done. Is my makeup finished? Now onto the hair. So now for my hair, I'm going to be using my Sitting Pretty halo hair extensions today. These are the medium ones. I will put a little description box of which color they are because I get asked that quite a bit. But I'm using the medium ones at the moment because of the summer seasons. My hair is quite light. Now I haven't curled these. These are kind of leftover from last time. I'm going to leave them as they are. And I'm just going to try and match my curls, my normal hair accordingly, but I like to section my hair into 3 sections, popping them aside and bringing these 2 bits frontwards, brushing out my hair. Right, starting from the back, grabbing my wand, and going backwards. Alright, now for the next section. Alrighty. Parting next section. Ooh. And brushing that out. I'm actually going to do it the opposite way, this way. Curling it in. Whereas usually I like to curl it away from my face. But I kind of want it to be a little bit more messy this time. Oh, also around the frame of my face, I still like to go backwards so my hair isn't concaving into my face. Okay, I gotta hurry up. All right. Perfect. All right. Next one. Final and top layer, I will do all curls facing the back of my head. All right, now over at Shirley Temple, which is fabulous. Now we're gonna pop the extensions in. So just section off the top half of your head, about an inch from the front of your forehead. Put all of that aside, flipping it away, and popping that extension piece in. Sliding it back like so. Move forward and releasing. And just brushing all of that out. Making sure that none of it is sitting underneath that wire at the top. Take the comb. Just make sure that none of that hair is sitting underneath that wire to create a really seamless finish. Okay, I really mean this when I say I'm obsessed with these, because look how natural it looks. You wouldn't even have any idea that I have a full extension piece in my hair right now. And yeah, I'm pretty much ready to go, and that's it. I'm gonna do a half updo today. That is what I'm gonna do. So just sectioning it off from your eyebrows upwards, and just putting all of that bad boy back, and securing with a hair tie. Looking very 70s today. I'm very into it. Just the glasses that I'm about to put on. Alright. Alright, and just with your comb, pulling out these pieces at the side. Have you honestly ever seen an extension piece look so natural before in your life? Just saying. Oh my god, I am so obsessed with these. Oh my god, so pretty. My old hairdresser used to say to me, forgive me Jaxie if I've said this wrong, but your hair is the crown to your head. So make sure you wear it with pride. And what way to show off the crown is with a halo. Alright, now it's off to lunch. First up, I am going to Legacy in Camberwell to catch up with a girlfriend, my girlfriend Hannah, because I didn't get to see her for my birthday. Absolutely spoiled by my baby. Spontaneous decision to go to the nail salon. What colour are you going? Ow, I just hit my head. What colour are you going? I'm going number 2. I have been absolutely spoiled. Look at all of this. Alright, so I just got home from brunch with Hannah. She absolutely spoiled me rotten. I've got a little bit of work to do. As you can see here, I do it on my bed. It's probably the worst thing because I end up getting so distracted or I fall asleep. I don't know about anybody else. But after that, I'm heading into my agency to have a little meeting with them about some exciting things that are happening this year. And then later on tonight, I'm going out. So I'll show you a little glam look that I do with my Sitting Pretty halo hair extensions. Sorry. Alright, so we just got back from my agency and it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon now, so I'm going to start getting ready for my night out tonight, and I will run through my little glam look because I feel like just being a little bit extra tonight. So I'm going to put in my thick halo hair extensions and you guys can help me get ready. Alrighty, so I'm going out tonight, so I thought I might as well run with you my little glam tutorial. So with this look, I'm going to be doing a red lip because I do really like a red lip. So I'm going to keep the base and my eyes pretty natural and quite bronzy like I did this morning. And then what am I doing next? I am doing my brows. That's pretty much it for my makeup. I'm going to do my red lip last just because I feel like my hair is going to ruin my lips. So tonight, because I wanted more of a glam look, I'm using my thick halo hair extensions, which are these beautiful bad boys. Oh, so gorgeous. My hair away, parting it to the front. Oh, just like an inch from the front, scooping that all the way back and putting that up. And then popping that on into the back. Okay, and then popping that down. This and put it away, starting from the back in small sections. Alright, and that is my glam look done. I'm just going to pop a red lip on when I'm finished. I hope you really enjoyed my little day in the life of. If you loved this video, please make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and write any questions you have below. We'd love to hear from you. But yeah, we'll see you in the next video.